Hello everyone, this is Professor Sana Ansari, and today we are going to discuss about a very new topic of accountancy semester 2. So in this video we are going to discuss about the last chapter because we have already completed and dealt with the all three chapters earlier and previously, which is nothing but branch account, fire insurance claim and the consignment account. So here we are going to start with the accounting from incomplete records, that is nothing but called as single entry system, and in this chapter we are supposed to prepare final account. Okay, so this is nothing but the theory part 1 lecture 1. In this video will be cover the introduction, features and benefits and some steps of the accounting from incomplete records. So let's start the introduction part here. First of all, friends, I would like to inform you every small businessman keeps their accounting records according to their convenient and their educational and professional level. So here I would like to inform you, they were just keeping, they are not supposed to hire, they are not hiring professional accounting to record their accounting transactions and all, but they are keeping the transaction in the normal book, and they are doing they are mentioning the transaction which is based on the incomplete and we can say the single entry system. So here we have to just discuss about the introduction. So as you can see on my screen, friends, a small businessman who writes his own accounts may not be familiar with the system of double entry bookkeeping system and the complex accounting principles of entity, like matching of cost and revenue, difference between capital and revenue and so on. So here I would like to inform you, जो small business जो enterprises होते हैं या businessmen होते हैं, वो normally they are not aware about how to record the double entry bookkeeping, how to maintain the double entry bookkeeping. Okay, they are just believe and they are just doing the single entry system and they are just keeping the incomplete records on their book. ठीक है, so it is make them very difficult to find out the cost and revenues and the capital and revenue and so on. So the records of a small business may not record both the complete and accurate. Matlab it is not complete and it is not accurate, we can say, because just because of the incomplete and partial records they are keeping in their book. ठीक है, there may be only a partial records of some important transactions, like they can only just mention the cash transactions, कितना आया कितना गया, amount payable, amount receivable, that's all. Okay, they are not taking care about the double entry system. Okay, so such accounting is also known as single entry system. So here we have some features, friends. So features are so easy. Here you have to just remember the things, the transaction in the single entry system or the accounting from incomplete records. Some transactions records properly, some transactions not record at all, some transactions record partially and some transactions record wrongly. मतलब कुछ transactions होते हैं जिनको बराबर से डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट में रिकॉर्ड किया जाता है, कुछ transactions ऐसे होते हैं जिनको हमने रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं किया है. Some transactions not record at all. We forgot to record the transactions, omissions and errors. Some transactions record partially, like we have already passed the first effect and the second effect we forget. So second है आपका, उसके बाद है wrongly, कुछ हम गलत तरीके से, like if we have to depreciate the plant and machinery है ना, so we are depreciating it from the main amount of the assets, and second effects will go on the pay and debit if you are maintaining all this information in the liability side, so which will be wrong. Okay, so this is nothing but the features, friends. Then we have benefits. First of all, incomplete records in the single entry system are very easy to maintain, and it's quick and easy to maintain. Here we are not supposed to hire a qualified accountant, okay, and the individual businessman can easily run their activities. Okay, or it is very useful for the businessman who runs individually their business and their volume or जो उनका जो activities होता है is not large. Okay, so benefits ये हैं. And steps में we have, friends, we should ascertain the missing items. First we have to find out कि missing items क्या क्या है, how we have to keep and record the missing items, and then we have to prepare the final accounts. These are nothing but the steps. So friends, we have completed the theory part of the accounting from incomplete record here. If anybody have any doubt and difficulty, so please make a comment on my YouTube channel. That's all enough for today. Bye bye, have a nice day, take care.